Hello students, welcome to your biology class. So in yesterday class we started a new chapter, that is structural organization in animals. This chapter deals with the how and what type of different structures are there in the animal as well as in human body. Then when we look at into the structurally into the body of the organism or animal, there we can find three type of the tissues. By those tissues and four type of tissues. By those tissues entire body was constructed: epithelium tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and the neural tissue. These are the four those tissues. By using those tissues, with the help of those tissues, the entire body and different organs are evolved. So the epithelium tissue is one which cover the surface internally as well as externally. Body surface was covered, that is the epithelium tissue. Now epithelium tissue has two types, simple and compound. In simple, one single layer. In compound, many multi-layered are present. Now the simple, as we state that simple has single layer of the cells. It is made by only single layer of the cells, that is the simple layer, that is the simple epithelium. It present, ಇದು ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟೀಸ್, ಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್. ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವಂತಹ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ simple epithelium. Based on structural modification of cell, simple epithelium is three type. Based on the structural cell modification, ಆ ಸೆಲ್ದು ಶೇಪ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ the simple epithelium is how many types? Three types. One you can see squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, and columnar epithelium. What in your diagram it is there. So what you have to do, just write this heading and these 3 points, then make this 3 lines. Now the first one, uh, squamous. Now look at here, squamous epithelium. In squamous, see this thin layer of flattened cell. The shape, because it is made a different type based on the shape of the cell. So these squamous epithelium tissue cells are flattened. They are flattened, irregular boundaries. The cell with flat shape and irregular boundaries. Where it found? It found in the wall of blood vessels and lungs alveoli. The blood vessels in ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ರಕ್ತದ ವೆಸಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವ ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಾಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅಲ್ವೆಲೈ ಹತ್ರ ಇವನ್ನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತದೆ. ದೆನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಅದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಪದಾರ್ಥ ಡಿಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಇದು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕಾರ್ಯ, ಆ ಅಪಿಥೇಲಿಯಂ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂದು ಕೆಲಸ. ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, cuboidal epithelium, composed of cube-like cells. This cells is cube-like, shape is cuboidal, it's cube-like. Found in ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ duct of gland and tubular parts of the nephrons. In tubular parts of the nephrons is a unit of kidney, in where the nephron is made with this cuboidal epithelium tissues. And function is to secretion and absorption. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಕೆಲಸ ಏನಂದರೆ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಎಪಿಥೇಲಿಯಂ ಆಫ್ proximal convoluted tubes of nephron has microvilli. ಅದು ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈಕ್ರೋವಿಲ್ಲೈ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Next, columnar epithelium. Yes, the name itself tell why they are called columnar epithelium, because they are tall and cylinder in shape. The cells of this epithelium are tall and cylindrical. Because of that, they are columnar epithelium. Their nuclei present at the base, right? Free surface free surface may have microvilli. Free surface ನಲ್ಲಿ microvilli ಹೇರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಸಿಗಬಹುದು. ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟೆಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ನಾರ್ ಎಪಿಥೇಲಿಯವನ್ನು ಸಿಗಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇದ್ರ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೀಕ್ರಿಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು, ರೈಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ನಾರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್. ಇದರದ್ದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ? ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮಾಡಿಫೈಡ್. Cell bear cilia on their surface, free surface, present on inner surface of the hollow organ like bronchioles and fallopian tube. Bronchi means respiration system. Then female reproduction system in the fallopian tube. These cells are present, and the function is to move certain particle or mucus in a specific direction over the epithelium. Only to function to movement of certain mucus or any particle in bronchia and fallopian tube. This is the modification. Cilia is nothing but cell. Cellular bear ciliary cells. Those cells function is to movement of certain particles in the bronchia as well as in the fallopian tube. This is the modification of the columnar or cuboidal cells. That is ciliated epithelium. Now next modification is glandular epithelium. This is also modification of columnar or cuboidal cells. For secretion purpose, there are two types: unicellular, multicellular. Of course, unicellular consists of isolated glandular cells, goblet cells, single cell of the alimentary canal which secrete the enzymes, and multicellular in the cluster of cells in the salivary gland. These is a modification of columnar or cuboidal cells. Because of their secretion, they are called glandular epithelium, right? And on the basis of another secretion, exocrine gland and endocrine gland also present, and their secretion is like digestive juice, digestive enzymes, right? All exocrine glands secrete the mucus, saliva, earwax, oil, milk, digestive enzymes. Are all secretion are except hormones. It may be milk, it may be oil, it may be earwax, it may be saliva, it may be digestive juices. So those are secreted by the glandular epithelium, which was present in our bodies. Another one type of secretion, that is a hormonal secretion, that is also produced by certain glands, which is made by modification of columnar or cuboidal cells, right? That is the endocrine gland. You may have seen in that slide. Okay, so compound epithelium is there. The compound epithelium I will be start in the next class. So students, what you have to do from here, epithelium tissue two type you have to write down this, then simple type, squamous, cuboidal, columnar, and modification ciliated and glandular. Up to here you just write down. Okay, yes, suppose you have any doubt you can ask me. Otherwise I will start tomorrow next class. Thank you very much.